And remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create steak rolls. You heard me. And for this, all you need is some of these ingredients. Clearly, you need the thin cut steak. See how thin it is? And this one happens to be beef top round steak. And you're going to need some salt, pepper, or a combination. I have some Arctic thyme salt, which means I'm using thyme. This is ordered, but salt and pepper is sufficient. Onions, and then you're going to use whatever combination of this you want. You can go with three different type of the several I have here. I have red bell pepper cut thin, green pepper cut thin, yellow pepper, Alden bell cut thin, and orange pepper cut thin. Whatever combination you want to use, you can use three of them or two. And I have a zucchini. See this zucchini? I peel it and I cut it in stripes. This you're going to need. And I have some white onion, which I cut this way. So this is the basic ingredients. If you want to have some parsley, that's up to you. This is regular parsley. But remember, if you use all, it's not going to fold easily. So you might want to use just a combination of some, okay? The salt and thyme. You want to put some pepper. You don't have to go too crazy. And then just a little bit. And what I like doing, I like to go with some red, but I make sure the middle first, which is the kind of the fatter side. So I'm not going to need to couple red. So what I do is I put couple here. A couple greens, so I put them here too. Before I start folding, clearly I'm going to need this zucchini. It fits perfectly, so I'm going to put it here. Onions, doesn't matter. You start folding this baby. See? See? So here are my rolls. I have 4. But I had the oven preheating 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This is a cast iron, or you can use anything that's oven friendly. But this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to use some extra virgin olive oil. Today I'm going to go with Greek oil. But you can go with any Mediterranean style. You don't want to swim this around. You use a little bit sprinkle. Use a little brush. Brush this baby around. Kind of prepping this cast iron for this delicious experience, huh? What do you think? Then you start adding and accommodating the rolls. I put 4 rolls here. I like to use the brush, some of that oil, and put on top too, you know what I mean? Then I like to sprinkle some of my thyme on top, giving the aromatics. This one is kind of dry thyme. You can use fresh. And the oven is already preheated, so you're going to put it in there. 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now you can prepare this sauce, some sort of sauce that you want to mix it with. You don't need it. So I think there are 3 options in my book. Actually 4 if you decided not to use any. One of them you can use my Puerto Rican salsa Verde. Link in the description on how to prepare this baby. I choose this one. But you also could have prepared a balsamic honey glaze, which I've done before, and or a chimichurri. Links in my description of how to prepare this. It's not going to take more than 5 minutes for either. And for the side dish, you can do whatever. You can go arroz con gandules. You can go tostones, sweet plantains o amarillos, like we call in Puerto Rico. You can go southern. You can go with some mashed potatoes or French fries. You want to go Mediterranean, just get some couscous. Or you just can go plain. Who cares, right?